Sonoran Slinger here. I'm just having me a wee hours pipe of Kramer's Father Dempsey in my Savinelli Alligator 311. And I thought it'd be a good opportunity to give the finished product of Cactus Piper's check tool a go with tamping. I test all my pipe tools out when I finish them at the finished product, and what I'm looking for is when I tamp, that transition from the shaft there to the tamper head. I like to see if ash finds its way up in there and gets stuck. If it does, I'll smooth it out some and clean it up a bit. One of my annoyances with your standard type check tools, kind of like that type, is ash getting stuck up on top there. I don't know, it kind of bothers me. But so far so good. Kind of chose to test it out with Father Dempsey because you get a very fine white ash that it's the kind of ash that just finds its way into spaces. So I figured that's a good way to see what's going on with it. I know the little pick works, gets all the way down into the bowl, clears out whatever you want out. So that goes well. The twist on the tamper seems to feel good, gives you a nice little grip on it, it's not slippery at all. I just kind of, I'll tamp with it, like I said, to see if ash gets caught in that little transition shoulder there. But I'll also just kind of grab it all over and feel for burrs or rough spots that might be unpleasant. But, you know, once I feel one out, I'll go in, you know, hit it with a fine file or some sandpaper. Then I'll give it a rewire brushing and put it back to that nice wire brush finish that I really like. It's a pipe tool. I don't go up crazy grits on sandpaper and stuff. It's just I'm not looking for a polished, you know, factory look. You know, this is a hand forged item, and I want whoever owns one to know that when they look at it. And I'm hoping that's what they're looking for, because that's what I like to do. I don't think there's anything better looking on one of these than a nice file and wire brush finish. Just looks really nice on them. I wish a camera would do it justice, but the wire brush finish just sings on these things. Kramer's Father Dempsey. Signature old book flavor. And it sounds weird, but old book's a great flavor for a pipe smoke. Well, just letting you know, it is not collecting ash up on the shoulder and functioning well. No little rough spots to fix up. I think we're good to go. I'm going to check out and finish this early morning bowl. Alright? You all have a good day today. Slinger out.